Hello everyone, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today we're going to be discussing L-1 visa, but not in a way where I discuss the criteria and how to get it, the insights and this and that, giving you advice, giving you some education. No, this video is more about what L-1 visa is all about. The main thing. We're going to be discussing this, and I can assure you, you won't find this information anywhere on the internet. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your case on L-1 visa. Let's go. But before we begin, guys, you know what to do. You subscribe to my YouTube channel, you smash that like button because you love my videos, and you also press that bell button not to miss those two videos I release every week. Okay, so we've been discussing with you L1 visa, EB1C visa, the difference between L1 and O1, the difference between O1 and E2, the EB5, and you probably have a lot of information that's really hard to comprehend. That's why I decided to do this particular video for you guys and see if you like it or not, and the way I'm gonna see it, how many of you is gonna smash that like button. If I see that a lot of you like this video, then I will be doing the similar videos for other visas. What L1 visa is all about. And of course, if you watched this video, you know the criteria of this visa. This is a long video where I discuss in detail what L1 visa is, the criteria, the details, the process, how long it takes, so how you register the company, and the requirement for the foreign company and things like that. But I don't want to make this video similar to that one because that's pretty much the legal requirement, and of course I shared my experience on filing this kind of petitions. I want to talk more about the deeper issue, the philosophy behind the L1 visa, and I think this is even more valuable than knowing the actual criteria of this visa, because if you understand the concept behind this visa, the philosophy, the intent of the Congress, then you will be able to do it much better, and then the criteria is going to be easier for you. This is the deepest secret of immigration law. Nobody will ever tell you, but I will. So get ready. The most important thing for L1 visa is not actually getting it, but rather extending it. I can get you L1 visa pretty much with more or less established business that you have in your country, and if you have a good idea here, we can get you L1 visa with probably about 90% approval rate. So this is really good. But this is not what I want, because the goal of my company is to bring 10,000 people by the year 2030. We already brought about 2,000 people. So if I bring you here on L1 visa and everything is good, but then you cannot extend it or you cannot get a green card, then it's a failure of the goal of my company, right? You came here and then you left. And this is not something that I want. I want you to come here and stay and live in the greatest country in the world. If you do it with L1 visa, and if you start up a new business, which is probably 70–80% of all L1 visas, you have to think 3–5 years ahead. The L1 visa is not just to come here and open up an affiliated company and have the common control between the foreign company and the local company. It's much more important, it's much more bigger. The Congress wants you to come here, open up a startup business, scale it, grow it bigger, hire American employees, and then they want you to give you a green card. You understand it, right? They don't want you to come here for a year and then leave. They want you to come here, scale and grow. They incorporated that into law, and that's how USCIS sees that law. If you want me to tell you the numbers and exact things that you need to think before starting L1 visa, I will tell you about them right now. So get your pen ready, get a piece of paper ready, or have your phone ready, prepare to write it down. When you think about the idea of doing the business here, you have to think about this idea from the point of view of how many employees you will hire at the end of year 1 and the end of year 3. The end of the first year, you have to have 5 employees besides you in the company. And in year number 1, you have to have 1 or 2 managers, meaning you control the managers and they control the rest of the people. End of year 3, you have to have 8 employees, 2 or 3 managers who control other people in the company. We measure L1 visa by the number of employees. So if you like, Stanislav, I don't need that many employees. I don't have enough money. My ID does not encompass that many employees for the first year, for the third year, or whatever. Maybe I don't need employees at all. Well, then L1 visa is not for you. Stop considering this visa if your idea does not entail 5 people besides you in year 1 and 8 people in year 3 besides you. And you can see, guys, I'm probably the only attorney in the world who's so transparent with you that I don't care if you don't hire me if I cannot get you the final result, right? That you have a good company, we extend it, and then we go for the green card. So put that in your minds that L1 is all about employees. So if you are the employer, if you are the one who is a shareholder, who controls the company, who want to transfer the employees to the States and you want them to stay, then think about the number of employees that are going to be under control of the person. If you are yourself the owner of the foreign company and also the employee, then think about in the same terms. I think it's pretty clear. If L1 visa is not for you, you should be considering E2 visa or O1 visa for your company. If you think that you qualify either for L1 or E2 or O1 visa, please go down below this video in the description and find the questionnaires that I prepared special for you. Fill out those questionnaires in details. Don't just say yes, no. Okay, I won't be able to know what's going on. Give me as many details as you can. Spend good 20 minutes because I will spend my time on this and I will be able to give you the analysis of your case. And if I think you qualify, then I will invite you to the immigration planning where I will build a strategy for your petition. Okay, please comment and ask questions below this video. I'll definitely get back to you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the like button, and subscribe to my Instagram and to my TikTok, where you will find other type of information concerning investment, business, and talent visas to the States. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, the lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.